Good evening, my dear students. Today we will go through the factors that influences the business ethics. What are the factors that influence business ethics? We all know that business leaders today are very well aware of the ethical issues and they want to improve the ethical standards of the business. So, number of factors are there that influence the managers to ethical decisions. So some of them are personal code of ethics. We all know that a man personal code of ethics that we consider as moral is the primary responsible of the factor that is responsible to or influencing his behavior. Like how a personality is a pattern of way a person feels, their think, their behavior, how what that is the personality. So personality has a major part or a factor that has been shown to influences the career choices like job satisfaction, stress, leadership, and some other factors of job performance. So the nature and nurture is determinants of the personality. And next we can say that a leadership, if the leader can lead in ethical ways and motivates the employee will perform in a legal ways. So leadership is one another factor that influences the business ethics in the company. And next, that is company policy. What are the policies? For example, how they select the employees, how they recruit the employees, how they train the employees, how they given promoting programs for the self-development of the employees, or accepting the changes or changing the culture or diversity, adapting to the diversity of the nature of the company. Is like that all the factors that influences the business ethics. So business influencing factors influencing business ethics are the leadership, the strategy and performance, environment, corporate culture, and individual characteristics. And now we will discuss how a legislation, the rules of the government, influences the business ethics. Government will intervene and enact laws only when the businessman become too unethical and selfish and totally ignore their responsibility to the society. No society can tolerate such misbehavior continuously because the pressure on the government and the government will take steps to prohibit such unhealthy behavior of the businessmen. We all know that how GST is established and how what are the impact factors that GST given to the business. So government is always intervening and enacting laws, and when businessman is too unethical, if they are against the ethical practices, they are too unethical or misbehavior and selfish and totally ignore the responsibility of the society. So society can't tolerate this misbehavior and it will create problems. So that problems will create certain pressure on the government. So the government will take to prohibit such unhealthy behavior of the businessmen. That is the legislations that become a factor that influences the business ethics. Then government rules and regulations. We all know law support government regulations regarding the working conditions, working environment of the company. If it is too unhealthy, if it is too dangerous to the employees, and if it is unhealthy surroundings, unhealthy food they are providing, there is no safety precautions for the product making. They will give statutory warning. This provides some guidelines to the business manager. Previously, the government will give some guidelines previously to the business manager in determining what are acceptable or recognized standards and practices. So, according to that rules and regulation, the government should insist the companies to perform like this. Otherwise, what will happen? They will ban the company's registration. And the company have to face so many law related law and justice, അതായത് കോർട്ട് ആക്ടിലേക്ക് നീങ്ങാനായിട്ടുള്ള സാധ്യത അപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ടാവും. Then ethical code of the company. So every company, if we think about the ethical code of the company, when a company grows larger, larger or it become wide, the standard of ethical conduct tends to rise. That how the company is largely making, or they are the production system of the company is very large, the ethical code of the company also become very high. Any unethical behavior or conduct on the part of the organization shall endanger its established reputation, public image and goodwill. So the companies will be more cautious. They issue specific guidelines to their subordinates regarding the dealing of the company. Like in the personal, so what are the factors we now discuss? First thing, that is personality or leadership quality of the managers, personal code of ethics. A man personal code of ethics, that is when what one consider moral is the foremost responsible factor influencing this behavior. So first factor we can say what that affecting the or influencing the business ethics is personal code of ethics. Next one, legislation. It is already stated that government will intervene or enact laws only when the businessman become too unethical and selfish. So, no other alternative to prohibit such unhealthy behavior, government will intervene. Then government rules and regulations. Laws support government regulations regarding the working conditions, product safety, statutory warning. These provide some guidelines to the business manager to determine what to do or what not to do. And next thing, that is social pressure. How the social forces and pressures have considerable influence on ethics in business. We all know that if a company supplies products and get involved in unethical conduct, the consumer will become indifferent toward the company. The consumer will be act against the company. Such refusal will affect the company's sustainability, isn't it? Its longevity is affected and their goodwill is affected. So the society shall expert a pressure to the company to act honestly, and otherwise what will happen, they will ban their products. So society itself may turn against a company, they can't survive. So social pressure, we can say, it is one of the important factor that influences the business ethics. The next one, that is social pressure, then ethical climate of the industry. Modern industry today is working in a more and more competitive atmosphere. Hence, only those firms which strictly adhere to the ethical code can retain its position unaffected in its line of the business. When other firms in same industry are strictly adhering to the ethical standards, the firm in question should also perform up to the level of the others. If the company performances is below in same industry, it cannot survive in the field in the long run. So we all know that modern industry is working more and more competitive atmosphere. So only those firms which strictly adhere to the ethical code can retain its position. So very competitive industry, there are more selection, wide choices among the consumers to choose the company. So when the competitors or other firms in the same industry are strictly adhering to ethical standard, what will happen? The consumers or public will go through the go for the consumerism of that company. If the company performance is below than other companies in the same industry, they can't survive because the longevity of the company is questioned here. So all the climate of the industry is very much related to the company performance. That is, ethical climate of the industry is one of the factor that influences the business ethics. So ethical code of the company, when a company grows larger, its standard of ethical conduct tend to rise. Any unethical behavior or conduct on the part of the company shall endanger its established reputation, public image and goodwill. So most companies will be very cautious for keeping this ethical code. Then social pressure. We all know that social forces and pressures have considerable influence of the ethics in business. If a company supplies substandard products and get involved in unethical conducts, the consumer will become indifferent towards the company. So these are all about the factors that influencing the business ethics. Then what are the merits of business ethics? Merits of business ethics, we can say it increases the goodwill, it helps to increase the mutual trust and confidence in relationship among the consumer and the company, and it helps in professionalization of management, and it give a get release from tensions and worries. No worry about legal actions, protections of property, like then perpetual succession, because the business can prosper on the basis of the good ethical standards. It can retain its business for long years, and it helps to establish high standards to the company, and it create credibility with the public, because people believe that the company offers a value for money, and it will attract an immediate response from the public. And ethics helps better decision making, because decisions which are in interest of the public, their employees and the company, is because respect for ethics will force the management to take various aspects like economic, social and ethical into consideration in making decisions. So ethics helps in better making better decision making is the ethical attitude helps the management to take better decisions. These are all about the factors influencing the business ethics. What are the factors? Personal code of ethics, leadership and personality of the management, legislation, government rules and regulations, ethical code of the company, social pressures and ethical climate of the industries. And what are the merits of the business ethics? It increases the goodwill of the company, and it helps to increase the mutual trust and confidence in the relationship between the consumer and the company, and helps in professionalization of the management to develop a professionalized good business ethics, and it protects the people in dealing with each other, and it relieves from lot of tensions and worries. And business ethics can give business retain its business for long years for the company, and it helps the company to face challenges, because high standards establish and help ചെയ്യുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ it brings improvement in work practices, it brings improvement in work culture, etc.